So what is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you a very easy guide for some beginners that how you can install a custom ROM on your Android device. You need to just follow some requirements. First of all, you should have unlocked the bootloader of your device. If you have Xiaomi device, I have already made a video on that. You can check out my video. If you have any other device, you can search on Google. There are a lot of tutorials available on how to unlock bootloader of your device. Second step which you need is you need custom recovery, and if you have custom recovery installed on your device, then you are good to go. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to share with you a very simple step and some precautions of installing a custom ROM. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first step in installing a custom ROM for your device is the step to find out a custom ROM for your device. Almost all Android devices have their custom ROMs available on XDA developers website. So you just have to head over to google.com, click on XDA, then type your device. Like I have my Redmi Note 8, so let me just give you an example. I'm gonna write here XDA Redmi Note 8 like this. Click on the search icon. I will get into the Redmi Note 8 XDA forum. So just open this one, and after opening your phone's XDA thread, I'm just giving an example. You can check out for your device on XDA also if that is officially or unofficially available. As you can see, Redmi Note 8 is officially available on XDA. Here what you have to do is you have to go here, Redmi Note 8 ROMs, kernels, recoveries and other development, and here we have a lot of custom ROMs available like Paranoid Android, official AICP. A lot of these custom ROMs are only available for my device. I'm just giving you an example that how you can download a custom ROM for your device, and from here you can download that. And after downloading, now what you have to do is let's move on to that thing. Okay, so after downloading a custom ROM for your device, what is the next step? We must have custom recovery installed. Like in my case, in my Redmi Note 8, I have installed a custom recovery which is Orange Fox Custom Recovery. You know very well about Orange Fox Custom Recovery. For some devices, maybe you have a TWRP or you have other custom recoveries too, but most probably you will have TWRP or Orange Fox Custom Recovery. So if you have Orange Fox Custom Recovery, first thing you just have to precaution about is you should have to take a backup. First of all, you just have to click on backup, take a full backup of your Android device. In case something goes wrong, you should have to take backup. Click on next, backup, new backup, select on boot, recovery, vendor and system. These three things are main things which you have to keep in mind in case something goes wrong. Just have to take three things backup, click on swipe to backup, and you are good to go. And then just save it into the SD card. If anything goes wrong with your internal storage, make sure it is saved in SD card, or you can save it to your external pen drive or some other things too. It all depends upon you. And after taking backup, now let's move on to the next steps. Okay, so after taking a full backup of your Android device, which are the next steps? You just have to go to wipe section, and here see carefully what you need to wipe. You need to click on Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. Just click all these five things, and if necessary you can choose internal storage also. It's not necessary for some devices, maybe it's necessary, but the main thing which is universal and which may apply to all of your devices is these five things: Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. Just choose all these things, then click swipe to wipe. It will take some time, so just wait for the wipe to finish, and as you can see, it's done. It means now you have no system installed, and now you have to just be patient, and now we have gonna install a custom ROM on our device. In my case, I'm gonna install Pixel Experience. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna install Pixel Experience Plus for my device. It's for Ginkgo, which is Redmi Note 8. I'll provide you the official ROM link for your device because Pixel Experience is officially available for a lot of devices. So if you also want to download that, I'll provide you the link, download that. And now how to install this? Just select this zip file. Almost every device have Pixel Experience ROM which has Google Apps pre-installed. If you have Google Apps pre-installed, you just have to swipe to install and nothing else. And if you don't have Google Apps pre-installed, what you have to do is you have to install this package OpenGApps ARM, depend upon your system's architecture. I have ARM 64. You can choose ARM also. 10.0 is the Android version, and Pico, which may be Nano, Pico, or whatever package you want to flash, and then it would be the date and time or whatever else. You need this file too if you have Google Apps not installed. But most of the times Pixel Experience ROM has the Google Apps pre-installed, so you don't need this. And as we have already did everything like wiping, backup, and everything is done, now simply we have to click on swipe to install. Then it will install a custom ROM on your device, and we are gonna install Pixel Experience Plus Edition, especially for my device. I'm just gonna share with you this method that how you can install a custom ROM. If you are just a noob, then this guide may be helpful for you, and if you're an advanced user, you can still take some precautions by watching these videos. Okay, so now let's wait for the installation to finish. Okay, so as you can see, this is, you will get successful message after the installation of the custom ROM on your device. As you already know about, we have success message available here. After that, you can also wipe the cache if you want to, or you can simply reboot system. And if in case your system is not booting up, you may need to format data. Depends upon your device, it's not compulsory. Just reboot system once. If it reboot, just good. And if in case you get anything errors, you just have to click on format data, and maybe that will boot up your device custom ROM. Now let's boot up. Okay, I just did reboot, and it just rebooted back me to custom recovery once again. Why it did? Because I was going from MIUI to Android 10 Pixel Experience, which might need format data. And for Redmi Note 8, yes, it's compulsory. If you're a Redmi Note 8 user and watching this video, just follow all my steps carefully, because this guide is fully for Redmi Note 8 and for all other devices. Also, you just need same thing, procedure is everything just same. Maybe you need some different files, and everything else is just same. Now what we have to do is go to menu, and I'm just going through this process on Orange Fox Custom Recovery. For TWRP, it may be a little bit of different, but almost everything is just same. Now what we have to click is click on manage partitions, click on data, click on this OK icon. Then you have to click on format data here. Click format data YES, and as you can see, confirm wipe, click on OK, and now your data will be wiped up, internal storage will be just gone. And after that, what you have to do is reboot system. You are good to go. Okay, so we are finally booted into Pixel Experience Custom ROM available for my device, and it may take up to 15 minutes depend upon your device to boot. This is the first boot, so may take much time. For some devices it will take 1 to 2 minutes, for some devices may take up to 15 minutes. So just be patient and don't do anything risky without even just knowing about what we are doing. And after installing this, as you can see, we are just booted. Click on start. It will take some time. Just connect to your network and just set it up. Everything is done, and just don't do anything bad. This was a simple method of installing a custom ROM on your device. And if you like this guide, don't forget to like and share this as much as you can. This was all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. Have a nice day.